Hello. Just wanted to give you a glimpse of my new listing. We had it professionally cleaned. It's all vacant right now. The sellers have moved out. Staging is going to happen tomorrow. Photography on Wednesday. We should be on the market by the weekend. So anyway, welcome to this beautiful 1,612 square foot condominium. It's modern luxury. You'll see it. You have to see it to believe it. Come on in. Okay, so here we have an entryway. I'm going to go ahead and show you the tandem garage since we're right here. So it's two-car garage, tandem style. And then we're going to go up some stairs. Here we have the half bath on the main floor with a nice pedestal sink. This is the open great room area with a beautiful kitchen, beautiful island, and a nice pantry. And then a covered balcony where you can see the hills off into the distance. Some of the amenities that comes with the Urban Oaks homeowners. Moving on from the second level to the third level, we have indoor laundry area. And both bedrooms have their own private bathrooms, which is really nice. This is the first bedroom. Nice modern fan. Not sure if this is really a walk-in closet, but it's a large closet. And this is the primary bedroom. The beautiful walk-in closet and some nice closet upgrades. Primary bathroom. Sunken tub, huge shower, and dual sink. Okay, so this beautiful condominium was built in the year 2021, so it's only 4 years old. 4 years new is what we should say, and the dues, the homeowners' dues are $439.72 per month. It includes solar paneling, and so your electric bill will be a lot less. And the amenities are outstanding. There's kids' playgrounds, there's basketball courts, there's a dog park, there's lush green spaces, there's a tennis court and a basketball court. We're going to show you a video of that as we're driving out. But this should be on the market within 10 days or less, and we're looking forward to getting some good offers. This is a beautiful community, newly built just off of Cobble Road, very close to Costco, and a whole shopping center with Starbucks, Applebee's, Marshalls, etc. Literally walking distance, probably less than a mile away. All right, well, thank you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, I just wanted to point out some of the amenities that are part of the Urban Oaks Homeowners Association. We've got a picnic area with a big lush green lawn, and we have a complex child's park, lots of stuff for the children to play on, all modern. And then right next to the children's playground is the dog park, which is very close to our listing. And then over here, here's another kids' playground, just steps from your front door. Basketball courts. Another large grassy area. Park-like setting. Park course amenities. More basketball courts. Actually, this is a public park, Raleigh Linear Green. So you're right next to a public park with park course and another open space area, kind of sunken. And of course, if I lived here, I would be at this amenity at least 2 to 3 times a week. Lonely tennis court. There's no one playing right now because it's too hot or everyone's at work. But boy, would I love to have a tennis court. Oh, and horseshoe too. Okay, here Target on the right and soccer field on the left. And then we have Marshall's